makeup channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create 5 looks using one palette. Today we are using the Berries and Cream from Dominique Cosmetics. Make sure you are subscribed and leave a comment down below letting me know which palette you want me to do next. Let's get started with look number 1. To prep the eye before every single look, I always start with my eyeshadow base. I'm using Urban Decay Eden. This just really makes the colors pop and make them last the whole day. So remember to use an eyeshadow base with all these looks. So for our transition shade, we will be using Toasted, and we are going to apply that to the crease area with a big fluffy brush, blending it out. You can also take a pencil brush and apply some of that to the lower lash line. Using Sugar Cookie and a flat eyeshadow brush, you want to highlight the brow bone. Picking up my pencil brush again and using Chocolate Mousse, I'm going to tap that close to the lid, and I'm kind of making it thicker as I go out to the outer part of the eye, and then I kind of wing the eyeshadow out to give it a nice smoked out wing effect. Then with the small angled brush, I'm just going to line the lower lash line using that same color. For the space left on the lid, you can pick up Honey Dipped and just apply that, being careful of the wing area. And that is basically your first look. Super easy to create, and it's kind of sultry but also still natural at the same time. For look number 2's transition shade, I'm using Soft and Sweet with a fluffy brush. Blend that into the crease nicely and also apply that to the lower lash line. With a pencil brush and Warm Pie, I'm going to intensify the lower lash line and blend that in as I apply. And then using that same pencil brush and color, we are going to intensify the outer part of the eye. So here you want to tap a little bit of Warm Pie in a V sort of shape and then kind of blend that into the crease and outer part of the eye. Next, I'm going to tightline the lower lash line using an angled brush and Blackberry to really add some smokiness to this look. With a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to pick up Sweet Cream. This is a gorgeous matte, super soft baby pink, and I'm just patting that on the first 2/3 of the eyelid, and this is just really going to bring out this look and add that soft girly touch to it. Last but not least, with my pencil brush, I'm going to use Cherry Juice just to bring some intensity to this look. And as you can see, I'm applying this color almost as a slanted triangle on the top of the eyelid. And this will really just accentuate her eyes. And that is look number 2. For look number 3, we're going to spice things up a bit. I'm picking up Blueberry Muffin and I'm applying that to the lower lash line. I'm just using a tissue to prevent it from falling on her cheeks and messing up her foundation. Then obviously apply your eyeshadow primer, and then I'm actually going to pick up Blackberry, and with a small flat brush we are going to pat that all over the lid. You want to use like pat and stroke movements to really get the product to stick. After that, I'm going to pick up Blueberry Muffin again and then just layer it over that. To blend it out, I'm using a small fluffy blending brush, and I also picked up a little bit of Warm Pie just to help blend it out and give it a bit of a warm undertone. As you blend it out, you will see that this will kind of look almost like a purple, because the warm undertone and blue will obviously give you more of a purple shade. So that's just the way I like blending out my blue eyeshadows. After that, I'm just going to pick up my pencil brush and drag some of the eyeshadow out, because I want this to have like a bit of a V on the outer section, and I'm kind of using the paper towel as a guide as to where I want the eyeshadow to go. Lastly, I'm going to pick up Sugar Cookie with a flat brush, just highlight the inner tear duct area as well as the brow bones, and that really completes the sultry, sexy blue eye. I absolutely love this look. Look number 3. Number 4 is pretty simple. We are going to use Soft and Sweet, and we're applying that all over the eyelid, making sure you blend it out with a big fluffy brush, as this is the only eyeshadow that's going to go all over the lid. I'm also going to apply some of that with a pencil brush to the lower lash line just to make sure there's nice color distribution, and in the inner corner I'm going to use Honey Dip to highlight the inner corner and add that gold pop. Last but not least, I'm gonna create like a shadow wing using my angled brush, and I'm gonna pick up blackberry for this. So this will just create like a nice winged shadow effect. It's super simple to do if you're good with a wing, and it also looks really chic. Last but not least, I'm gonna go in with cranberry on my fluffy brush and just blend that into the crease. I'm also taking the shadow and fluffing it out past the brow area. With a pencil brush, I'm gonna apply some of the same color to the lower lash line. Then I'm gonna go in with cherry juice to intensify the lower lash line and bring it into that crease, still swooping it out. Then I'm highlighting the inner corner and brow bones using sugar cookie, and I also decided to take some of that into the eyelid space where we haven't applied any eyeshadow yet. And then I'm just going to go back in with cherry juice, and the same method I use with that triangular sort of shape, I'm doing that and then blending it into the crease. And that is look number 5. I hope you guys are enjoying my 5 looks with 1 palette series. Let me know in the comment section down below which one you want me to do next. And please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys soon. Stay sweet. Bye.